Alright guys, this is the next question from CAT 2017 slot 2. You can pause the video and try it once and resume for the solution. So it's actually a very easy question. In how many ways can 8 identical pens be distributed among Amal, Bimal and Kamal so that Amal gets at least 1 pen, Bimal gets at least 2 and Kamal gets at least 3 pens. So Amal, Bimal and Kamal are the 3 people. I need to distribute these 8 pens between these 3 people such that Amal gets at least 1. So Amal gets greater than or equal to 1 pen. Bimal gets at least 2, so greater than or equal to 2 pens. And Kamal gets at least 3, so greater than or equal to 3 pens. Now what we do is, we first give away 1 pen to Amal, 2 pens to Bimal and 3 pens to Kamal, ensuring that the condition of minimum number of pens is easily met. Out of 8 pens, I have given away 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 pens already. What remains is exactly 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, I have 2 pens left. Now I have 2 identical pens and I need to divide those 2 pens between 3 people, right? So it's like distributing 2 identical objects into 3 distinct groups. The number of ways will be 2 plus 3 minus 1, C 3 minus 1. It's a very typical concept of partitioning. If there are n number of identical objects to be divided into R groups, the number of ways is n plus R minus 1, C R minus 1. If you want to get more detail about this, you can check out my course in the description. Further, it will be 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1, 4, C. 3 minus 1 is 2. The answer required is 4C2, which will be 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1. 4 3 is 12 upon 2. The final answer would be 6. So there are 6 ways of dividing 8 pens between A, B, K such that A gets at least 1, B gets at least 2 and K gets at least 3. The answer is 6 ways.